Hebrews chapter 3, verse 12 and 13.
Verse 3, and 13. Take it, brethren, this worthy and of you, that we no heart about you, departing from the living God, but exhort one another daily, while it is called today, lest any of you be hardened through the deceitfulness of sin.
Okay. When is the best time? It is today. Karon, dili tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. No? If we say, magtinaroon lang ito ugma, ang ugma, hindi lang maabot. And Satan will use that word tomorrow. Di sa pero mga lang, masayon pa ba? Ugma naman masayon, and tomorrow never comes. It is today. Is your heart right with God today? That is the question karon. Is your heart right? Maayo ba yung kasing-kasing tubangan sa Kristo karon? And now, if not yet, today is the time. Right?